This is a GCS News Break.
A spark of creativity might be all it takes to send these students toward building a rewarding career. This summer, thanks to a grant from the Eastern Triad Workforce and a partnership with GTCC, Guilford County Schools is offering a brand new camp for teachers and students. STAMP Camp, which stands for Students and Teachers in Advanced Manufacturing Pathways, is a week-long camp for rising 8th and 9th graders, as well as some GCS teachers. It's taking place at Guilford Technical Community College's Advanced Manufacturing Facility.
This facility is phenomenal. It is set up just like the industry, just like our local employers, with real equipment, machines, computers, tools, everything used in the industry in our Guilford County area.
STAMP Camp offers 3 tracks of interest: welding, mechatronics, and machining. Students and teachers are learning the very same skills and completing the same projects with help from 4 GTCC instructors. And there's an important reason why 8th and 9th grade students are the target age group.
So this camp is really important for our middle school kids because they're about to go into high school. And in our high school courses, we offer several career pathways that would lead a student into a potential career in manufacturing. Those career paths can include, like I said, the welding, the electronics, and the machining that support our local businesses. So also it helps them kind of explore a career and see if they like it while they're here.
Another way to see it firsthand is with the camp field trips to local manufacturing businesses. This group is visiting Bright Plastics in Greensboro. They took a tour of the facility and learned all about what the company does from its employees.
I plan to take the experience that I have and share the stories and the testimonies to the students. And then in addition, I've created a whole lot of networking, and I plan to actually have some field trips to these facilities, and as well as the industry that we just visited today, Bright Plastic.
The hope is that campers will finish out their week with a different outlook on advanced manufacturing, as well as some excitement about what they've learned and built with their new skills.
We're building a stove. It's going really good. It doesn't have that many particles, so it's easy.
Welding is something I might do when I'm older, because I kind of want to be an architect.
I have been building a robot. It's very fun to make.
Yes, I had a really good time. I learned how to polish, filing, how to tighten the screws without breaking the Allen key and without damaging the parts. I also learned how to what CNC stands for and how these machines help in everyday life.
I hope they take away several wow moments of, first of all, personal accomplishments. They're doing things they've never done, like welding or putting together a robotic arm. They're also using top dollar machines to create metal parts and pieces. So they're going to have some wow moments. I'm hoping that they share these wow moments with friends and their teachers when they go back to school. I'm hoping that the teachers will be inspired in their lesson planning in their classrooms of how to bring real world experiences right into the classroom with what they learned at STAMP Camp.
This has been a GCS News Break.